So a great client relationship is when we visit, we listen to each other, we exchange ideas. One of my unique selling propositions, if you call it one, is I don't really want to start off when I'm visiting with someone new talking about insurance. And you think, well, Marvin, that's what you want to do, right? No, what I first want to do is develop a relationship. So if there's not coffee involved, we break bread and talk and meet each other as people. And the reason is they can get the same exact quotes and prices from literally 60 other people within a 30-mile radius. So the question I ask is, what have I done to prove to them why we're different, why we're better? Because for me, it's all about the vibe. If I don't vibe with them early on, even if they do business with me, it might be an okay relationship. It's not going to be a great relationship. And a great relationship characteristic is monthly, on a monthly basis. My office is always on their mind, and they're always sharing our names and sending referrals. That is a great relationship. Now, the other side of it is if somebody's sending me referrals, we bust our butt to send them referrals. Okay, we want to serve. If I have an electrician and we got an electrical problem, I want to help the people that I work with, and I also trust those people to do the job right. And so that makes my network a lot more tight.